Hello everyone, today we are learn about learning target and outcomes targets. Learning targets are specific measurable statements that describe what students should know or be able to do by the end of the learning segment or lesson, guiding instruction and assessment. Learning targets are essentially lesson-sized chunk of the learning or content that students are expected to master within a specific lesson or activity. They help the teachers and students understand what is the being learned and why, ensuring that instruction and the assessment are aligned with the learning objective. Types of the learning target. Learning target can be categorized into four types: knowledge, reasoning, skill, disposition, and product. Knowledge target. This target focus on the factual information, procedural knowledge, and conceptual understanding that are the foundation to a particular subject or discipline. For example, remembering historical dates, understanding the scientific principle, or recalling vocabulary. Reasoning target involves the student using information to arrive at the conclusion, solve problem, and make informed decision. For example, analyzing data, interpreting text, or evaluating argument. Skill target. This target relates to developing and demonstrating specific skill or abilities. For example, writing an essay, concluding a science experiment, or playing a musical instrument. Product target. Product target focus on creating or producing something tangible, such as the piece of writing, a presentation, or an aesthetic creation. Example, writing research paper, designing a website, or painting a picture. Disposition target. Disposition target address attitudes, values, and personal qualities that are the desired in learners, such as the perseverance, curiosity, or critical thinking. For example, developing a growth mindset, demonstrating ethical decision making, or showing the listening in the space of the challenges. Then learning outcome target. Learning outcome are the description of the specific knowledge, skill, or expertise that the learner will get from the learning activity, such as the training season, seminar, course, or program. Learning outcome are the measurable achievement that the learner will be able to understand after the learning is complete, which help the learner understand the importance of the information and what they will gain from the engagement with the learning activity. Types of the learning outcomes. Intellectual skill. With this type of the learning outcome, the learner will understand the concept, rules, or procedure, but simplify this is the understanding how to do something. Cognitive strategy. In this type of the learning outcome, the learner uses the personal strategies to think, organize, learn, and behave. Verbal information. This type of the learning outcome is when the learner is able to definitely state what they have learned from an organized body of the knowledge. Motor skill. This category is concerned with the physical ability to perform the action, achieving fluidly, smoothness, or proper timing through practice. Attitude. This is the internal state that reflects in the learner's behavior. It is the complex to quantify but can be shown in the learner response to people or situation. Conclusion. The learning target and outcome target serve as the essential benchmark for measuring process and success in the educational and skill development. By aligning the learning target with clear, measurable outcomes, learner can track their growth, identify area from improvement, and enhance their overall understanding. This achievement of this target not only foster knowledge acquisition but also develop critical thinking, problem solving, and practical application skill. Thank you.